Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about depreciation problems under fixed installment method. So in continuation of my earlier video, I am going to discuss now third problem. I'll read out the problem. Kiran and Sons purchased a machine for rupees 42,000 and paid rupees 3,000 for its erection on 1st April 2017. Additions are made to the machine on 31st March 2018 for rupees 20,000. Accounts are closed at the end of financial year. Depreciation is allowed at 10% under fixed installment method. Prepare machine account for 3 years. First, we'll put the ledger format, mention debit and credit. Name of the ledger will be machine account. On debit side, mention to bank account 42,000, that is cost of the asset, and to bank erection charges 3,000, that comes to the total of 45,000. Calculate the depreciation for first year, that is on 45,000. 10% we need to calculate, that comes to the total of 4,500. Now balance both debit and credit will get balance carried on amount. That balance carried on should be shown as balance brought on in the next year. And we have purchased another machine on 31st March 2018 for rupees 20,000. That needs to be shown on debit side, that is to bank account 20,000. Now calculate the depreciation for both first machine and second machine and mention the amounts on credit side. Now balance both debit and credit, mention the balance carried on amount on credit side, and balance carried on amount will be shown as balance brought on in the next year. Now calculate the depreciation for third year for first machine and second machine, and then balance both debit and credit and mention the balance carried on amount. Now for this problem, 47,500 balance carried on amount will be your answer. Now let's move on to the next problem. Rajesh and Sons purchased a machine on 1st October 2017 for rupees 20,000. Depreciation is provided at 15% on original cost method. Another machine was bought on 1st April 2019 for rupees 30,000. Prepare machine account up to 31st March 2020. Here we have purchased the machine on 1st October 2017, that is for rupees 20,000. So first we'll mention to bank account 20,000 on debit side, then calculate the depreciation. Here one point to be noted, that machinery was purchased on 1st October. That means from 1st October to 31st March, 6 months period will be there. For that period only we need to calculate the depreciation. So we'll get 1,500 as the amount, and then balance both debit and credit, mention the balance carried on amount, and balance carried on should be shown as balance brought on in the next year. Now calculate the depreciation for whole year. So now we'll get 3,000 as depreciation amount for the first machine. Balance both debit and credit, mention balance carried on amount on credit side and balance brought down amount on debit side in the next year. Now we have purchased the second machinery, that is on 1st April 2019 for rupees 30,000. That amount needs to be mentioned on debit side as 30,000 to bank account 30,000. Calculate the depreciation for the first machine and second machine and balance both debit and credit. Will get balance carried on amount. 38,000 will be your answer for this problem. Hope you like this video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.